Hi, I haven't seen you in ages. How are you getting on?
I'm doing okay, just busy as usual. You know how it is when you have kids.
Tell me about it. I feel like I'm running around all day. My son has been signed up for 3 extra classes.
3? That's a lot. What classes is he taking?
Maths tuition, English speaking class, and cricket practice. He was selected for the school team last week.
Wow, that's great. He must be over the moon.
Yes, he was jumping up and down when he found out. The team was chosen after several matches were played.
That's wonderful. My daughter has been feeling stressed out lately.
Oh no, what happened?
Her exam results were handed out yesterday. She didn't do as well as she expected.
That must have been disappointing.
Yes, she was very upset. She said she had worked hard, but somehow the marks were cut down.
Sometimes these things happen. Every cloud has a silver lining.
I hope so. I told her not to give up and to keep going. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day.
Exactly. Children should be built up, not put down. Too much pressure is put on them nowadays.
I agree. They are compared with others all the time. When we were young, we were allowed to play freely.
That's true. Now everything is scheduled. Even free time is taken up by homework.
By the way, has your son taken up any hobbies?
Yes, he has started learning candy and dancing. A new class was opened near our house.
That's lovely. At first, my daughter wanted to give up her dance class, but I told her to stick to it.
Good idea. If children back out too quickly, they won't learn resilience.
Very true. What about your younger child?
Oh, she is full of energy. Yesterday, the living room was turned upside down by her toys.
That sounds familiar. My house is cleaned in the morning and messed up by evening.
I clean up, and 5 minutes later, everything is spotted around again.
Being a mother is not a piece of cake, isn't it?
Definitely not. But when they hug you, all the stress fades away.
That's true. Motherhood is challenging, but it is a blessing in disguise.
Well said. Anyway, I have to go now.
All right, let's catch up soon. Don't put it off again.
Sure. See you next time.